Hello there, we're heading into the festive season and I'll be attempting a vlogmas of sorts this year. Not videos every single day, but hopefully more uploads than usual each week. I'll just do my best and see what I can manage. This time of year brings us plenty of vlogmas videos, delicious food, and dreamy window shopping with all the beauty sets that launch. So this video is kind of a holiday makeup mashup. Gift sets from some of my favourite brands, some Christmas collections that caught my eye, and some multitaskers if you're looking for ideas for beauty junkies in your life. A gift guide of sorts, but really just the gifts I personally love the look of to give or receive. A skincare edition is coming soon too. Starting with a few sets that include products I can't get enough of. Plus there's always something irresistible about travel minis. I've had a bit of a love affair with nude sticks this year. Stay tuned for a big video soon. Their mini nudies 3-piece kit features best-selling bronze, blush and glow shades in teeny tiny form. The nudies matte blush and bronze in Sunkissed is the rosy terracotta shade I can't get enough of and have raved about in several videos. The nudies bloom blush in Sweet Peach Peony, a shade I picked up in the Sephora VIB sale in August with a far more dewy, glowy texture, and their All Over Glow highlighter in Hey Honey, a warm gold. I've seen the Nude Sticks founder Taylor Frankel use this on her channel a lot, so the mini size was a great way to test it out and stash away minis of my two favourite shades for travel. I've often sung the praises of Pat McGrath Labs Lip Fetish Balms. They're my favourite of her lip formulas, and now there's a mini trio. I'm actually not going to open this up because it is something I'm planning to gift. Don't like the wasteful packaging, but I love two of the shades inside, and the third is a completely clear balm. You'll find Blow Up, a fresh peachy nude, and Flesh 3, a beautiful browny deep rose. Both shades are incredibly comfortable and sheer, but can be built up. Charlotte Tilbury has also shrunk her Hot Lips 2 lipstick collection into an adorable mini lip set. I didn't pick up the minis because I already have the 3 shades included, but I wanted to swatch them here in case you've had your eye on Hot Lips 2 and the minis are a good way to try them. First, JK Magic, a fair, slightly peachy nude in Charlotte's creamy KISSING formula named after JK Rowling. I know it's not a Christmas film, but I always revisit the first Harry Potter at this time of year. Then Viva La Vergara, named after Sofia Vergara, in a gorgeous red berry shade in her Matte Revolution formula, one of my favourite creamy mattes. And finally, Amazing Amal, the Matte Revolution berry pink inspired by Amal Clooney and the tones she often wears. 3 of my top shades from this collection in one kit. This final set does include some minis, but also full-sized items from NARS. Their VIP room set is sort of a best of from the brand with a great assortment of 7 products inside. 2 full-size velvet matte lip pencils, which I'm a big fan of, Dolce Vita, the rosy nude I already own in mini form, and the bold berry red Dragon Girl, which will come in handy for an upcoming celebrity makeup bag video. A sharpener to keep them fresh, a mini Orgasm blush and a mini Laguna bronzer, 2 of their classic products that I already own in this little duo, so I'll save these 2 to gift or give away in future. A mini Orgasm multiple stick, which I'm really excited to play with. I think I'll probably enjoy the peachy cream formula more than the powder. And a full-size Climax mascara, which I've heard a lot about and my first impressions have been good, but I'd love to hear if you've tried it. Moving on to multitaskers, surprise surprise, they're one of my favourite makeup categories and I think they make a nice gift because the person can use them in different ways depending on their style. A cute little mini for Kris Kringle or a Christmas stocking is the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Stick in Work. This is my favourite cream blush shade from Milk, a lovely dusty rose, and the mini is a perfect size for travel and everyday use. There's still plenty of product in here. A multi-use product like Mecca Cosmetica's Summer Sunkissed Duo is a nice way to tick off 2 makeup steps in one. This appeared in my summer makeup video and I love how balmy this cream blush is. Rose is my favourite shade, a summery peach, not super rosy on me, and there's a creamy illuminator on the other side too. Such a dewy, glossy formula. If you're into that kind of balmy, dewy colour, look no further than OLIO OSSO. These little tinted balms for lips and cheeks are regulars on my channel, and this video is actually going up in time to mention the brand's Cyber Monday sale on December 2nd. I'm so excited to be teaming up with OLIO, and they're very kindly offering my US viewers 20% off and my favourite balm shade, number 5 Currant, free with your order. Use the code Matilda20 when the sale starts. I'll leave details down below. You can treat yourself or a loved one to this beautiful brownie berry tone. A new RMS beauty palette has arrived just in time for the holidays. Hidden Desire has 8 never before seen shades, 6 Swift shadows, 1 pressed blush, and 1 luminizing powder. Her Swift shadows are super smooth and the shimmers catch the light beautifully. Those 3 warm shades on the right side of the palette, ugh, right up my street. Then the powder blush is a vibrant coral and the luminizer is an icy pearlescent shade, almost like Living Luminizer in powder form. A golden, glowy eye always gets me in a festive mood, so I've chosen a couple of palette and liquid picks. Dior's spectacular holiday collection this year, Happy 2020, includes this Celebrating Gold palette with 4 shimmers and a smooth matte black for a perfect party smoky eye. Another pint-sized palette that might make a nice gift is Charlotte Tilbury's Charlotte Darling palette. I actually purchased this in LA back in July when it was a Nordstrom exclusive known as the Easy Smoky Eye palette, but Charlotte's brought it across to her main line and given it a new name. The tones are exactly the sort of dusty rose, terracotta, and coppery shades I love. Not a traditional smoky eye colour combination, but lovely as a soft wash of smooth, warm mattes and shimmers. I'm a liquid shadow fan all year round to swipe on, smudge and go, but I find they always suit the Christmas season particularly well with a nice red lip. Dior's Diorshow Liquid Mono Holiday Shadows are a standout for me. Copper Sparks makes my heart skip a beat, exactly the kind of shade I love to brighten up the eyes, and it's made me step out of my comfort zone with some glitter. Then the Kosas 10-second shadows, which appeared in a swatching video recently, and people were blown away by how pigmented these are, but be very careful, that water-based formula can cause spills just like this. Whoops. I'll certainly be getting plenty of wear out of Copper Halo, a warm, coppery orange this summer. And yes, Christmas in hot weather is very strange. Even though I'm Australian, I'm half English and definitely prefer a cold Christmas. Jumping to a new holiday collection that really caught my eye. By Terry certainly knows how to celebrate. Their Starlight Rose range is like a rosy champagne party with gifts that look great on your tree or Christmas table, and some more extravagant kits too. I'd be pretty happy to see this little baby hanging on the tree, the By Terry Balm de Rose ornament, featuring the lip gloss version of their famous Balm de Rose balm in mini size. I discovered this gloss this year and I'm obsessed. It's always in my handbag, it feels so nourishing on the go, more lightweight than the Balm de Rose pot, but I find it just as effective. Doesn't get much better than a beauty stuffed cracker, and By Terry's has the same Balm de Rose gloss and their best-selling Lash Expert Twist Brush Mascara, with a clever jewel design that adds length on one setting and twists to give you volume on the other. This popped up in my Rosie Huntington Whiteley makeup bag video. One of my By Terry favourites is their CC Serum, an illuminating primer and what I always call a glowy base product. Lovely worn alone, under makeup or mixed in to give your complexion more of a glow. Starlight Rose is a new limited edition shade that's an ideal soft rose on my skin tone. But there's also a duo set with a sweet little travel CC serum. I haven't seen that size before. This shade is Sunny Flash, a golden bronze I've very quickly fallen for. A touch of this mixed into your makeup just warms up the face. Estee Lalonde applied this in a recent makeup routine the exact same way I do, so I'll link her video below. To really pamper yourself or a beauty lover in your life, there's the Balm de Rose Ritual set, a pastel pink leather case with 4 Balm de Rose treats inside. Their original balm, a rich, super nourishing formula created by accident when twice as much rose butter was added. It's thick like a lip treatment, so I love applying this before bed. Same with their hand cream, I've been using this every night lately, and there's a mini version in the set, plus 2 products that are new to me, the Balm de Rose body cream and face cream, so I'd love to hear if you've tried these. I'm excited to give them a go. Finally, Glossier have bundled up a range of new gift sets for the holidays, and they're currently on sale. Black Friday weekend is the only time they ever reduce their products, so you'll save 20% and up to 35% on some sets. There are plenty of reviews on my channel and a recent video listing my top 5 Glossier products, but here are some of the sets I love the look of. The lip gloss and Haloscope duo is the definition of party season for me. These 2 products originally appeared in the brand's 2016 holiday set, and it's a great way to add plenty of glossy glow to your lips and cheeks. 2019 has been the year of gloss for me, so why not go all out with the trio if you can't decide on a shade? In addition to the original clear shade, red adds a very subtle tint, just wish it was a bit more pigmented, and holographic catches the light with tiny flecks of shimmer for a fuller pout. A classic easy Glossier makeup combo is Boy Brow and Generation G, their best-selling brow pomade and the only brow tamer I've used for the last 4 years with plenty of pigment and comfortable hold. Then their sheer matte lipstick for a quick laid-back stain. The slightly warm red shade Zip is my favourite. But to get an all-over Glossier look in just 3 products, there's the Boy Brow, Balm.com and Future Dew set. My favourite Balm.com flavours are Rose, Coconut and Birthday, but you definitely get the most tint from Cherry or the latest release Berry. Then Future Dew is their oil serum hybrid, described as skincare, but I think of it as makeup, like a glowy base. You can see more detail on this super glossy Katie Jane Hughes style skin product in my Future Dew review. Hope you enjoyed this look at a few gift sets and ideas and holiday pieces from some of my top brands. There's a lot of sale and gifting and shopping content around at the moment. If you are shopping, as always, make sure you shop responsibly and within your budget. I'd love to hear which holiday sets or collections have jumped out at you this year and which beauty goodies you plan to treat yourself or your loved ones to. See you for a skincare version very soon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.